Sir Isaac Newton, an English polymath active as a mathematician, physicist, astronomer, alchemist, theologian, author, and inventor, was born on January 4, 1643. He played a key role in the scientific revolution and the Enlightenment that followed, making significant contributions to various fields. His book Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, first published in 1687, marked the first great unification in physics and established classical mechanics. Newton's work can be seen in many areas of science. In the Principia, he formulated the laws of motion and universal gravitation that dominated scientific viewpoints for centuries until they were superseded by the theory of relativity. By using his mathematical description of gravity, Newton derived Kepler's laws of planetary motion, accounted for tides, the trajectories of comets, the precession of the equinoxes, and other phenomena, eradicating doubt about the solar system's heliocentricity. Newton's inference that the Earth is an oblate spheroid was later confirmed by geodetic measurements, convincing most European scientists of the superiority of Newtonian mechanics over earlier systems. He also calculated the age of Earth by experiment and described a precursor to the modern wind tunnel. In optics, Newton built the first reflecting telescope and developed a sophisticated theory of color based on the observation that a prism separates white light into the colors of the visible spectrum. His work on light was collected in his book Optics, published in 1704. Newton's contributions to mathematics were extensive, including generalizing the binomial theorem, introducing Puiseux's series, stating Bézout's theorem, classifying most of the cubic plane curves, and originating the Newton-Cotes formulas for numerical integration. He was a pioneer in calculus of variations, devised an early form of regression analysis, and developed the polar coordinate system in its analytical form. As a Fellow of Trinity College and the second Lucasian Professor of Mathematics at the University of Cambridge, Newton dedicated much of his time to the study of alchemy and biblical chronology, but most of his work in those areas remained unpublished until long after his death. Politically and personally tied to the Whig